Need to remove an old or expired card from your Klarna account? In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to delete a saved payment method. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Keeping your payment methods up to date is a key part of digital security and account management. Open the Klarna app and navigate to your account or settings. Find the Payment Methods or Manage Cards section. You'll see a list of all your saved cards. Find the one you want to remove and look for an Edit button or a three-dot menu next to it. Select the card and choose the option to Remove or Delete. Confirm your choice, and the card will be permanently removed from your Klarna account. A crucial pro tip: you cannot remove a card if it is currently being used for an active, ongoing Klarna purchase. You would need to pay off the balance first or switch the payment method for that purchase to another card before you can delete the old one. And just like that, you've streamlined your account and improved its security. Removing old cards is a simple but effective security habit. How often do you audit the saved payment methods in your shopping apps? Yearly, or when you get a new card? Share your habit. To unlock a powerful feature, watch our next video on how to use the Klarna virtual card. Thanks for watching.